Hey guys, Ron Limes here with the Tactical Redneck, and I've got something super cool that I wanted to share with you today, and that's this package. And you may say, well, what's so cool about that package? What's so cool about it is it's something that I ordered from the Tactical Redneck. You know, you've heard of that company. They're like super awesome guys, and well, okay, never mind. I got this. I ordered it from myself. But the reason that I did that is because I wanted to test the automated systems. I wanted to look at the packaging. I wanted to make sure that it arrived on time and everything worked exactly as we've set it up to work. So it's a little bit of a checks and balances system. Somebody told me a long time ago that you should inspect what you expect. So that's what I've done. But here's the crazy thing. I literally don't remember what I ordered. So what I think would be super cool is if we take this package and together we open it up and see what kind of badassery it is from the Tactical Redneck. So here's the nice little Kershaw knife that we're currently testing. And let's see if I can cut this thing open without damaging everything inside. And just for the record, the package did arrive on time. And everything looks really good. So let's just see what's inside here. I'm trying to be very careful and not tear up anything inside there. It's not gonna be good if I show you something. It feels like it might be a t-shirt, but I don't want to show you a t-shirt that I've damaged when I opened it. All right, let's get this out. All right guys, this is actually one of our really awesome designs. You can see that right there. This is super awesome. This is Iron Sharpens Iron, as one man sharpens another. That's biblical, and it's super awesome. You can see that design is really amazing, and that's our original design. There's nothing else out there like this, nothing else available, because we literally created it from scratch. We didn't come up with the verse. Obviously that's biblical, but we put it in our own design, and I think it's really awesome. So anyways guys, tacticalredneck.com, we've got a little shop on there. When you buy things like this, $25 shirt, when you buy that, that throws a few dollars our way and helps us actually keep this channel alive and keeps us doing what we do. So if you would, go visit the website, find something really awesome like this. Nobody else has got them, so you're gonna be really unique and super awesome looking when you wear this. Anyways guys, until our next video, stay safe and God bless.
When did we make it so cold?